jaw.
You can place that one down as well. As to exhibit number 18, could you tell me what you see in that picture?
So this is the front side of the body, highlighting the left side, and it shows some gunshot wounds here.
You can place that one down. And as to exhibit number 19, what do you see in that picture?
So this shows the right wrist and hand, and a little bit of the forearm, and it shows some gunshot wounds. This one mostly highlights a wound at the right wrist.
And this is exhibit number 20. Could you tell us what you see in that picture?
So this is the wound of the left forearm, right here. It shows a gunshot wound of the left forearm.
And exhibit number 21. What is shown in that picture?
This is an overall picture of some of the clothing that was removed from Mr. Thornton.
Okay, you can place that one down. And exhibit number 22, is this also some of the clothing?
Yes. This is a shirt. It has some markers that indicate where some defects in the clothing were found.
Is that the front or the back of the shirt?
It looks like the back.
Okay. And you can place that one down as well. And exhibit number 23. What do you see in that picture?
So this is the front of a shirt, and it also has some markers indicating where some hole defects were found.
Okay. You can place that one down. And exhibit 24.
This is an undershirt with markers showing where defects were found.
Okay. You can place that down. And exhibit 25.
This is overall of some property.
You like this outfit for Kanye's first birthday?
Mr. Thornton has money.
It's supposed to say Kanye's Clubhouse.
I'm yelling, man.
And exhibit 26. What is shown in that one?
This is an overall view of bullet fragments from the right jaw that were recovered.
Okay, you can place that one down. Your Honor, we are asking that those photos that have been previously marked be entered into evidence.
Will mark exhibits will enter into evidence. Exhibit 16 through 26 that have been previously marked and identified by this witness into evidence. Have you not done it already?
That happens pictures back. Your Honor, may I have permission to publish to the jury?